Patsy, Harrington!
Here comes another contestant.
This will be fun to watch.
Very.
Victory!
The Hammerbots died.
These ones are weak. Swords are everywhere.
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 Victory!
That was over quickly.
Yes. Schnick, schnick, schnick.
That's right.
Schnick, blah,
An accurate simulation of future events.
Victory!
Victory!
Hooray!
I'm looking forward to the next level. How do you defeat the Mark II Hammerbot?
Well,
You don't.
I.
Boom.
Clone created.
A prudent choice.
Always with the prudent choices. These humans.
Victory!
The human won.
I was hoping it would die.
There is still time. Are the pyrotechnics ready?
Yes.
Such beautiful drama.
Repair complete. Here we are once more. Behold the fury of the jetpack bots. Victory!
The jetpack bots are such fierce fighters.
Yes, they are a joy to behold.
We made our house.
Death lives inside.
And on top. is bought.
The number of humans is increasing.
Marvelous. Danger waves in the zone.
Better make a clone.
Victory!
I like this level.
The pillars are fun.
And now, the Mark II robots have a party.
How delightful.
Extremely.
Clone activated. Victory!
This human is close to death.
Yes, the worst is yet to come.
And now, Spider-Tron 6000.
OMG!
Boom, 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 boom.
Clone created.
A clone.
Great!
Victory!
Wow, this human is killing it.
It can't kill all the things.
It ends with a bang.
The sound of the hammer shattering the human.
Victory! The harvesting draws to an end. Time to set fire to the human space station.
This should be good.
What are the garbage bots doing?
They are waiting. Humanity will rise. Garbage override. Humanity will rise. Moving the garbage.